Fantastic opportunity under $190,000 in Windsor Forest. This low-maintenance full brick/siding, well-maintained and spacious home features beautiful laminate flooring and tile throughout. Large separate living room with gorgeous bay window with Levolor blinds and separate dining room. Custom blinds in all bedrooms and new ceiling fans. Fully renovated bathrooms feature gorgeous new fixtures and tile. Master bath has large walk-in shower. Kitchen boasts an amazing new stainless steel air fry smooth top range/oven and new dishwasher. Stainless steel refrigerator and microwave included. Enjoy relaxing on the expansive back covered patio. All the character and charm of a well-established neighborhood and conveniently located to many businesses, hospital, restaurants, shopping and schools including Georgia Southern Armstrong campus and Hunter off. Truman